Hello and welcome. In this video I show you how to check your DJI battery status. In this case I use my smart controller, but it also works with your mobile phone. The important point is the DJI Go app. Let's start and power up the drone and your controller. Just connect the drone and click on Fly. Then click on Go Fly. Have a look at the three dots in the top right hand corner and scroll down to Battery Info. There's the battery overview with the battery cell status, battery voltage, temperature, production date, serial number and the interesting point, battery times charged. I hope this video helped you. I would appreciate a like and a subscribe. Have a nice day.